It is very clear that despite all these political wranglings which carry on every election, there is an election commission precisely placed as a constitutional authority to supervise these elections. That is the ultimate authority. The election commission will decide who will walk, who will run, who will hold a rally. Yeah, it is up to them. They are the final authority in this. So I would suggest that instead of all this political wrangling, political parties can try and do anything in their election. But precisely that is why there is an election commission. So I don't think that we should get diverted about who this meh tutu can continue. Everybody will say that you are wrong, I am right. But the point is that the election commission has to be respected, because in this case it is the final authority. And any disrespect shown to the election commission is a disrespect shown to the Indian constitution.
Okay, let's go across to Shahid Siddiqui on the same thing. The point that's being raised by Ajay Bose there is the BJP disrespecting the election commission then. Let me just read out from Mr. Arun Jaitley's letter, which one of 4 that he's written to the EC today, where he says, I regret I have not received any response, oral or written, from the election commission. Is the election commission acquiescing to this conduct of the returning officer? Is the BJP questioning the election commission then, Mr. Shahid Siddiqui?
Thank you very much for realizing that there are other people in the debate, because debate seems to be between just 2 political parties. Now, the issue is not just the election commission. You see, we see in every election that administration sometimes make wrong decisions. Election commission pulls up the administration. It is the job of the election commission to pull up the administration. And here we see a candidate is not being allowed to hold his rallies, while there was no program of Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Till this morning, we were told that if he goes, that's very secret. Nobody knows. Even their, spokesperson didn't know that Rahul Gandhi will be going to Varanasi till this morning. And suddenly, all the plans of Rahul Gandhi are allowed, permissions are given, but in case of the candidate, there are problems after problems. And in such a situation, it is very natural that the motives of the administration will be questioned. And this is not the first time. In every election, motives of the administration are questioned. And many times, the election commission removes the returning officer. As in the midst of an election, returning officers are changed. And here, if the returning officer is not...
It is up to the election commission.
Well, Ajay Bose, Sanjay Jha, I have a counter to you. Shahid Siddiqui, please listen to them.
Yes, up to the election commission.
Election commission. Therefore, nobody should question the election commission. But at the same time, every party and every candidate has the right to question the administration and raise the issues.
Yeah, absolutely.
No.
Absolutely.
But
absolutely.
Ajay Bose, okay, we'll come back to you, Ajay Bose. Kamal Farooqui, the question is, one side is saying that the EC cannot be questioned, which is fair enough. But as we just heard from Shahid Siddiqui there, when it comes down to the bottom line, it is the candidate who is not being allowed to campaign in his own constituency. Would that happen anywhere else? Would it ever happen that Rahul Gandhi finds that he's not able to hold rallies in Amethi? Would that ever happen?
First of all, I am very surprised that you call the people to sit there for half an hour and you don't give the time. That's very unfortunate. Now, the other thing is that I am not surprised with this kind of attitude of Mr. Modi, because this has been going on for the last several days. The build-up was there against the commission, and he was making all sorts of remarks against the commission. I personally feel that we must respect commission, and commission is fully
Mr. Kamal Farooqui, why do you see only the BJP questioning the election commission? Why don't you talk about the Samajwadi Party and also the Congress questioning the election commission in the past? All political parties have questioned the election commission at various phases across these elections. So it is unfair of you to just point out the BJP.
Listen, please. Please.
Yes, Mr. Farooqui.
Would you allow me to talk?
Go ahead.
Would you allow me to talk, or you would keep? Would you allow me to talk, or you would keep on?
Go ahead, Mr.
What is this?
Go ahead, Mr.
What is this? You are trying to
Go ahead, Mr. Farooqui. Go ahead, Mr. Farooqui.
I am not defending. I am not for any political party. I am defending commission. I am pretty sure that they will take a right decision. Why to create this kind of halla gulla? The commission is fully empowered, and we cannot say that the commission is biased against BJP or Congress or anybody else. But this has been building up for the last several days. They have been talking. Every party is trying to malign the election commission, which is not fair. It's absolutely not fair.
No, but the question is not the election commission here. It's the local administrator, the returning officer, who the BJP have an issue with, and they have taken that complaint to the election commission.
And there is no local administration. By the way, there is no local administration which will be administered by the local government. It will be the election commission.
Correct. That is what is officially going to happen.
Under the law.
The allegation is there is a tacit understanding. The allegation is there is a gentle nudge unofficially that's been given, and that is why unwritten intelligence reports are being quoted. Unpresented issues are being raised which are not documented yet. As we have entered the debate, there is no documentation about the intelligence reports and the threat perceptions. It's all talk based on which certain decisions have been taken. Is that fair?
Then why are we trying to malign commission at this particular
Who's maligning the commission?
They have conducted an entire election.
We are questioning the returning officer, the local administration, and whether or not there is a connivance with the state government there, because security, law and order is a state issue.
But the returning my dear friend, but the returning officer is under the commission, not under the local government.
Yes, which is exactly why Mr. Jaitley has actually written in his letter. He is questioning why there has been no response from the Election Commission. Meenakshi Lekhi, let's get your take on that. The debate is veering off into a direction of whether or not the BJP is insulting or questioning the Election Commission.
Why should we
let me say we have faith in Election Commission, and it is for this reason. It is for this reason we have written to Election Commission that these are the acts of local administration, from rigging to this kind of sabotage being enacted by a district magistrate named Pranjal Yadav. Quite clearly, the Yadav lobby is working contrary to the law of the land, and this particular lobby has been prefixed by the SP government, which was in local administration, continues to be in local administration, and only temporarily the administration works under Election Commission. Right now, it is the duty of Election Commission to act tough against such appointed people. And
here's the problem, Meenakshi Lekhi. Here's the problem, Meenakshi Lekhi. Suddenly, from having an issue with an individual.
Allow me one line.
No, please. I have to take exception to what you just said, Ms. Lekhi. You have suddenly changed the entire paradigm, and you have said that it is a Yadav lobby. Till now, the issue was with the returning officer in the position of the district magistrate, and now you have suddenly turned the dimension to saying it's a Yadav lobby that's conniving. Now, is it fair to make these allegations without
we have a caste
I'll tell you.
There's a caste angle.
I will suggest that kindly pick up the reports as to how, just short of election, certain key appointments were made by the local administration, and it will be very clear what I am saying has substance. And when Mr. Farooqi
you didn't have a problem with the district magistrate, Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi, till this issue of the 3 events happened with Mr. Narendra Modi.
No. Before that, obviously, I have no proof. How can I just speak against anybody because he's a Yadav?
Correct.
I'm just suggesting, kindly pick up the appointments which have happened prior to announcement of election.
You are contradicting yourself.
It is.
You have no proof and you are making wild allegations.
I am not contradicting.
What?
I am not contradicting
absurd.
Mr. Jha.
That's ridiculous.
I am not. If you
have no
allow
proof
one more
and
line,
you are making a
it will be
political
clear to
statement.
You can please rant. You can go ahead.
You are denigrating the election commission.
Make your decision
just like your BJP prime ministerial candidate.
I am not denigrating.
It's shameful.
I think
this is an insult of Indian democracy. This is an insult of Indian democracy.
Mr. Sanjay Jha, allow Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi to complete, please. I know you want to make a political point and score some political points here, but let Meenakshi Lekhi complete what she wanted to say, and then I'll come back to you.
In his own constituency, a prime ministerial candidate in his own constituency cannot campaign even for 3 programs. Nothing can be a bigger insult to democracy.
No, here's the issue.
And had SP not acted this way,
Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi, here's another issue with what you're saying. You have said it right here at the top of the news hour when I asked you this question, that when the permissions were on the verge of being granted, why did you withdraw the applications? And you said, Mr. Narendra Modi is a very busy man. We cannot wait until the nth hour for these permissions. So the question to you is, if he is going to come to Varanasi tomorrow, and he gets the permissions and the election commission towards the evening, or the returning officer was going to allow the events to happen, would he choose not to do the events, or would he choose to do the events somewhere else? Is this entire drama of doing the protest at 11 a.m. that will backfire? Is that why you have withdrawn the applications? Why shouldn't he hold the rallies tomorrow, if the permission come even at 9:30 this evening or 10 o'clock tonight? Isn't it his constituency? Isn't it important for Mr. Narendra Modi and the BJP? Isn't Varanasi important? So shouldn't that be priority? That's my question to you, Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi. Please answer that.
It is a priority. I am answering. It is a priority at the stage, and everything else which needs to be built requires certain adequate hour and timing. The party workers need their own time. Now, if you are going to tell me to have a program, not a press conference, but a program in next 1 hour, it is impossible. You cannot. Now, you give me a permission at 10 o'clock in the morning and say, have your program at 2 o'clock or 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. It is not workable.
Only
and
people of the area
rally,
knows they will
you
participate.
Need time. And the information needs to be given to the people that so and so is going to be here. Kindly participate. How do you expect the logistics? And this is exactly what I'm saying. This is a sabotage game which is going on. The matter is becoming worse. The more explanations are coming, it is becoming worse that this is the manner in which they don't mind the program. They don't want strength to be shown. If it was going to be Meenakshi Lekhi's program, you think this kind of sabotage would have happened? This sabotage is happening because it is Narendra Modi, and they don't want Narendra Modi to have
that's
a rally
the question.
in Banaras.
Ms. Lekhi, just let's bring in Ajay Bose. You were talking about the BJP questioning the election commission. You know, that's a separate issue. The question that Ms. Lekhi is just
No, I have a question.
Yes.
I have a question.
The question is,
I have a question.
Would this happen anywhere else?
I have a question.
A candidate from one constituency not being allowed to hold rallies in his constituency. Please, go ahead.
No, I have a counter question. This same district magistrate was accused by the Congress of allowing a road show by Mr. Narendra Modi, a huge road show, when many lakhs of people, on the day he filed the nomination papers. The same district magistrate, I think, was there.
Correct.
There's been no change in district magistrate. So at that time, this guy was okay. He wasn't a conspirator, he wasn't a terrible fellow, he wasn't a bad guy. Now suddenly, we are hanging this man without any kind of inquiry, investigation. All I'm trying to say, the BJP is perfectly within its right to appeal to the Election Commission if it feels that something wrong has been done. Of course, that is why the Election Commission is there. But till the Election Commission can take a call on this, I think it's very unfair to just make these allegations, mention that this fellow's last name is Yadav, there is a Yadav lobby. I think that's unfair. That's not proper.
Yes, Yatin Oza and Meenakshi Lekhi.
Can I come in, Anand? I want to make a point.
Sanjay Jha, request your patience.
I want to make a point.
Sanjay Jha, just a little patience. Meenakshi Lekhi, please wait on. Yatin Oza has been waiting to make a point for quite some time. Yes, Yatin Oza. Yes, Yatin Oza.
Yes, Meenakshi never ever, as I know her, would cast any aspersions against a caster community. Possibly what she wanted to convey was that nearby relatives were placed so as to see that there can be a sabotage, and to the advantage, sabotage to the disadvantage of the others, advantage to Mulayam Singh.
What is the answer, Yatin Oza, to Ajay Bose's question?
I'm sure she will never speak
Yatin Oza, what is the answer to Ajay Bose's question?
Secondly,
what is the answer to Ajay Bose's question?
Yeah, I'm answering.
Yeah, let's get to that, please.
What he did on 24th was perfectly constitutional, perfectly legal. Therefore, there was nobody to question. Today, what he has done is absolutely unconstitutional, per se illegal. There was no reason, Ryan, for
Is it
him
because
to
it's not
reach
in your
to such
favor?
a conclusion and
Is
forbid
it because it's
Mr. Modi
illegal,
from holding a rally
unconstitutional
or
because it's not in the
election
BJP's favor?
This is brutal murder of constitution and personal liberty
Yatin Oza?
and right to campaign,
Yatin Oza?
possibly under pressure from Akhilesh Yadav's
Yatin Oza?
government.
When it is in your
Yes.
favor, it is legal and constitutional. When it is not in your favor, it is
Yes,
illegal
yes.
and unconstitutional. Is that fair?
No. That I am sorry. I am sorry. I am not saying that what he did in my favor is that
No, I'm
was
saying in the
legal and
BJP's favor.
constitutional.
Sorry, Mr.
He
Oza.
could have permitted it to anybody. Say even Arvind Kejriwal or Mr. Rai, anybody he could have permitted road show for filing a nomination paper. But at the same time, to say that today I am doing something illegal. Look, I did something legal on 24th. Today I am doing something illegal. So I did legal on 24th. So legalize my illegality today on 20th.
Miss Lekhi, your colleague
7th
is
of
saying
May
that, you know, what's
is
happening right now is
absolutely not
illegal and
tenable.
unconstitutional. You wanted to come in. The fact is, on paper, you know, there is a response which has come in from the district administrations. There are reasons that have been presented. How is it illegal or unconstitutional?
Possibly she would have been given clearance.
Miss Lekhi.
Because she
I'll tell you
wants to
something.
campaign.
Yes, the
He wants
on
to
paper,
campaign.
the
He wants
response
to appeal to
is
his
bereft
voters.
of the facts. That is the whole problem. Now, if a particular candidate, forget who the candidate is, if a particular candidate has applied for permission for 3 programs, how is it that none of the 3 programs can be materialized? And a person who was not supposed to be there, his programs are getting materialized. And the announcement and everything else has come subsequently. And very simple thing, that something which was done legally correct, I have no business to criticize that man. But something which is done subsequently and which is illegal, I am going to question that. And now a particular candidate or anybody, there is a fundamental right and right to move wherever I wish to.
Yeah,
And
Meenakshi
as
Lekhi,
I'm not breaking any law, no one can stop me
Shahid
from coming
Siddiqui
to
and
BHU,
Kamal Farooqui have been
going
waiting to make some points
the
along with Sanjay
office
Jha.
of the BJP,
So I'm just going to ask the
and
3
from
gentlemen
there
to make
go
their
to
points.
the airport.
Please wait on
and that
Meenakshi
is my
Lekhi. Yes,
point.
Kamal Farooqui and Shahid
I want
Siddiqui.
to ask Meenakshi a very small point. A very small point from Meenakshi. You see, Mr. Narendra Modi's programs were chalked out for months together. So they must have been, it must have been very clear that he will be coming to Varanasi on these dates. And these plans should have been there. So why did they not go for permissions much earlier? Why at the very fag end? Why? Because all the other plans all over Bengal and Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, etc., were planned, permissions were taken, logistics were worked out. Why in his own constituency it was not done? It is very, very strange, and I unable to really fathom why that happened. With Rahul Gandhi, I can understand there was no plan. He came at the very fag end. But with Mr. Modi, plans were there. Why didn't you go for permissions earlier?
Yes, Meenakshi
No,
Lekhi.
there would be plans, and the plans can always be changed. And as long as I am supposed to disclose my plan,
But what they changed? What they changed now?
The administration, that is when
No.
I will.
No, you-
I will
everything was
disclose
disclosed,
the
everything was
program
known
accordingly.
to the
They
media.
have not been changed. They have not been changed.
That is no reply.
But for
That
the
is no reply.
security reasons, we may not disclose it.
Right.
Why didn't you
The
take
Shahid
for
Siddiqui,
permissions
please wait on.
earlier?
Kamal Farooqui and Sanjay
Mr.
Jha have
Farooqui
points.
wants to,
Why
yes.
didn't you
be
take
what
Mr.
for
Farooqui
permissions
wants to
earlier?
come in. Yes, Mr. Farooqui.
Why should I announce? In
Yes,
fact, I would say, how is it
Yes.
that
Miss
a
Lekhi,
particular person-
Miss Lekhi, let's just get Kamal Farooqi's point in.
Please, Meenakshi. Please, Meenakshi, allow
Cannot be
me.
disclosed under the law.
Please, Meenakshi, allow me.
All other programs were announced.
Please, Meenakshi, allow me.
Permissions. You
I don't
know
know.
logistics and every other
Please-
rally
please-
plan.
Yes, Mr.
Please,
Farooqui, go ahead.
Meenakshi.
Mr. Farooqui, go ahead.
I'm not into this. I am not into this debate whether the plan was correctly made or not.